At a waterline, exhausted people keep order while one survivor hides shaking hands. At work, someone stays after others leave, treating pain as strength. Endurance can protect dignity, but silence can hide danger. Gaman has a double edge: overwork, bottled emotion, and endurance of harm. You will learn 8 tests for when to stay steady, speak, or act. These are reflective tools, not medical care or professional support. Number 1. Monastic roots: regulation, not silence. Gaman means patient endurance. In daily life, it is steady self-control during hardship. Its Buddhist roots emphasize training attachment and response, not erasing emotion. Picture a parent breathing before answering a frightening call. Try one pause, name the feeling, then choose the next useful action. Number 2. Gaman and Shikata Ganai. Shikata Ganai means it cannot be helped. Gaman means staying steady afterward. In ordinary life, acceptance saves effort when the fact is truly fixed. A canceled train is fixed. Asking for safe shelter remains a choice. Ask whether this matters next week, then take one action you still control. Number 3. Wa, resilience together. Wa means social harmony. Here, Gaman becomes resilience practiced with other people. In ordinary life, shared endurance should include shared help, not private silence. Neighbors carrying water together show strength distributed across a community. Build a small moai, name 2 people you can support, and 1 person you can call. Number 4. The Incarceration Lesson. The Incarceration Lesson is this: endurance can preserve dignity under imposed injustice. In ordinary life, survival does not make the unjust condition acceptable. Japanese Americans interned during World War II endured government incarceration, often under severe constraints. Study one family testimony, then ask whose necessary voice was forced quiet. Number 5. The Control Audit. The Control Audit separates what is fixed from what can change. Gaman fits unavoidable strain, not preventable harm. A delayed bus needs patience. An abusive threat needs help and action. Ask, can I change this safely? If yes, choose advocacy, exit, or support. Number 6. Healthy emotional outlets. A safe witness is a trusted person who listens without demanding performance. Controlled outlets let emotion enter conversation, song, or tears. A friend listening after karaoke makes honesty socially possible. Choose one safe space for 10 minutes of listening. Seek professional help when needed. Number 7. Journaling and mindfulness. The one-sentence journal means recording one honest feeling or repair each day. Mindfulness means observing frustration without immediately obeying it. After a hard shift, one sentence can mark what hurt and what helped. Write one sentence, breathe for 1 minute, and stop if reflection intensifies distress. Number 8. Kintsugi, Oubaitori, and Kaizen. Kintsugi, Oubaitori, and Kaizen suggest repair, patient timing, and small improvement. Endurance becomes mastery only when it protects life rather than appearance. A repaired cup, a late branch, and one improved step keep the ideas concrete. Choose one repair, one patient wait, and one small improvement this week. Endurance becomes dangerous when it protects overwork, harm, or isolation. Use the Control Audit, a safe witness, and one journal sentence to keep Gaman flexible. If this double-edged view helped, please like the video. Share it with someone who needs permission to stop staying strong. Comment, when did Gaman help? And when did change become necessary? Subscribe for more ancient ideas used carefully in modern life. Don't settle, live with passion.